Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a Ford. It could be Escape, it could be Fusion. Anyone that's using this kind of key. This is a brand new key that we are going to program using our scanner here, Ford. And let's go. I'm gonna click on IDS. Your IDS must be up to date all the time. It will help you a lot. Okay. So let me try to go through this step by step quickly. We need to add a key. Why we adding a key? Because the first key is messed up. So I'm gonna close this one and delete anything that we have. This one, it may take up to 10 minutes if you need to program it. Like you have to cut it also. So I'm going to go here, go here, go here, and then you just wait for it to communicate. It's very fast. Okay, now this is what we have. I will say yes. Escape, Cougar, 2.5 liter, they're all the same. Soon it's gonna tell us what year, what model. Just take your time. Click next. That's the car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. B like 13, I believe. So I gotta go to the next level here. I will go to body. On the body, I go to security. On the security, you gotta go to part function. Part function, you're gonna go click next. And okay, perform the key program additional. You may have to go. This 13, right?
I think so. 13 or 14.
Sometimes it asks security access, so let's see.
Uh-huh.
I don't believe I need to do anything. The ignition is on.
Okay.
So, no, this car have push start button, say no. You say it will take 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take this one out, keep it here.
Bismillah.
Gonna put the original key. I like the original one. The car will not start. You're gonna see no key detected. So go yes. So now this one will take 10 minutes. See no key detected. Even if there is a key. So now we're gonna make 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will get our approval. So we're gonna wait. Brother, when you see here, come here, call me.
Where?
When you reach 600,
Okay.
call me. I'm gonna leave everything. Okay, we are here now. That means 10 minutes is past. I will put this in. Click next. Security. Security failure access. I don't believe it's access. Why? It says security failure access. It shouldn't access. I did this so good. Security failure shouldn't fail. Why is fail? Let me see again. Maybe it take longer than that.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. Gonna try one more. Security. Part function. Look, go next. Go next. This car have equipped the push start? No. 10 minutes, I would say yes. If it come almost near, let me know. Because it shouldn't do that, but
Bismillah.
we're gonna wait for it.
Okay.
Yeah, so if it come like here, let me know. I come to it.
Yeah.
Security guarantee. Say okay. Now I ask you, edit program additional key. Okay, say yes.
Okay, then I call you too late. That's why.
Yeah, you already cooked and okay, now I'm gonna say yes. Hopefully, okay. Place unprogram key and push the ignition on. See that? Working. You say operation successful. Do you want to do another key? I will say no. Only one is enough. Okay, now exit from the system. When you are in the program mode, okay, turn the ignition off. You're gonna have a message here, I believe, sometime. Turn the key on. You're gonna see that pressure. Car start, hill start assist not available. That's good. Now I gotta check why you checking your light is on.
Okay.
Let's see here. And then I go to test. I gotta go to engine computer. Engine. No. All module, no. Engine computer, PCM. Retrieve codes. What code I have here? So I can delete it. Okay, let me see what code. You have one here. Auto sensor. Cylinder number 1 misfire. Misfire detect on startup first. Catalytic efficiency below. Evap leak and large leak like gas tank. Evap leak. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna clear them. Clear all the codes. Okay, nothing is there. Everything pass. Let me see if it's permanent. Nothing there right now. It shows maybe before. Do not diagnose. Cylinder number 1. If it's still there, maybe need taking care of it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and we are good to go. And this is apply for all cars. Thank you.